In what has appeared to be an all-out gloves-off supremacy battle between the legislature and judiciary, concern continues to rise over whether these recent moves by Parliament and the courts could plunge the country into a constitutional crisis.
We have separately called on His Excellency the President and the heads of Parliament and the judiciary to seek urgent means of consulting and resolving any issues that may render the operations of these institutions ineffective and prejudice the rule of law and, of course, the implementation of the Constitution.
Parliament, on an offensive against the judiciary, threatens to amend the Vetting of Judges and Magistrates Act to probe afresh all judges who were appointed after 2010, powers that the Constitutional Implementation Commission says MPs do not have.
The Constitution does not grant any power to Parliament to vet judges before their appointment. They are vetted by the Judicial Service Commission.
There is no opportunity for Parliament to do anything unless there's an amendment to the Constitution. It is not there.
This fresh bout of tough wars between these two government arms appears to have been sparked off by yet another supremacy battle between the Senate and governors, particularly after Embu Governor Martin Wambora's impeachment and reinstatement.
The non-attendance by governors to the summons by the Senate is currently pursuant to a legitimate court order and should therefore not be the basis of any action against the county governments in their entirety.
CIC called on all to respect the doctrine of separation of powers to avoid plunging the country into anarchy.
The carrying out of any of the above threats in an unconstitutional manner would be an abuse of office and in breach of the applicable provisions of the law. It would naturally invite the various consequences set out in the law, including removal from office under Chapter 6 of the Constitution and the Leadership and Integrity Act.
While the three arms of government are meant to work independent of each other, they complement each other's functions as well, and it will be unavoidable to have such conflicts between them, though Nyachai believes they can all reach a working solution. Jacky Maribe, Citizen Weekend.